Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So ultimately the official notice for NEET PG 2023 examination and its registration schedule is published on NB platform. Few days back Times of India had published a notification in its newspaper. That was not totally correct, but it was more or less same. So the NEET PG registration is going to start on 7th of January, that is today, and soon you can expect this registration to start, okay, from 3 p.m. onwards, and it will go on up to 27th of January, the registration process. Examination date is going to remain same. There is no post payment or delay. That is 5th of March, okay, and the declaration of result will be by 31st of March. So you can also download the information bulletin from the notice is available on Nightboard website, and we will post a video how to do the registration. So don't jump into the registration process. You need to read the information bulletin, and accordingly you have to act, okay. After the application form is closed, they will give the edit window in the month of February, and the edit window will be given multiple times. There will be edit window and then final edit window. You have to correct all the details and you have to proceed accordingly, okay. In case you want our help assistance in the application form filling, then you can contact us on the number 9319128677, and you can avail our paid counseling guidance also, which includes the application form filling up and its other process, okay. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.